Good evening, teachers and parents. My name is Braden Greenwood.
And I'm Dyson Campbell, and thank you for tuning in to this special edition of the CHS Newscast for the 2019-2020 Open House.
Good evening, Centennial students and families. I'm Dr. Sanders, your new principal. Thank you so much for taking the time tonight to be with us. We had a great first week of school with lots of highlights. We have lots of things to celebrate this year. This year, we are committed to support, challenge, engage, and empower every student, every day, and every class period. I am looking forward to all the wonderful things we will do this year. Have a great time going through all of your students' classes and experiencing what a day looks like at Centennial. My assistant principals and I and all of our support staff will be in the hallways to be able to answer any questions or concerns that you have. So thank you again for being with us, and I look forward to all the wonderful things we'll do in the 1920 school year. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. We hope you really enjoyed living life through your student shoes here at Centennial. And make sure you guys come to Ravenwood tomorrow night at 7 o'clock to support our Cougar football team.
Thank you, and have a great day.